Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I want to do a case unboxing for the Pixel 6 Pro. Remember, every time you guys get a brand new phone, definitely get a case, especially a phone this expensive. This falls and doesn't have a case, it's going to shatter. So I don't understand why some people think, oh, I don't want a case, it's going to ruin the aesthetics of my phone. Well, if you drop your phone and it cracks, it's not just going to ruin your aesthetics, it's going to shatter your phone and your wallet. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. So I actually ended up getting this one. This one was used, but it was like in new condition, so I saved like extra $5. And this one looks just like my 6 Pro. It's a Spigen one. And see, this phone is, these are my favorite cases because you see, if you really want to show off the phone, um, this is why I like the clear back here. And this is hard, right? So this isn't that flimsy rubber where you just stick it on and it's gonna fall off. And this has a nice feel to it. So this is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. This is so dope. I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on here and see how it works. Boom. All right. There you go. See that? Beautiful, beautiful case. Check that out. Check that out. You still see the Google logo. All right. You still see that this is a Pixel 7 Pro, 6.7-inch phone. So this is a big case. Feels a lot like the Pixel 6 Pro when I'm holding it, but it is a sturdy case, and this is why I like it. And I've dropped my Pixel 6 Pro many, many times, and I tell you, I have never had a single incident where anything was chipped, scratched, or broken. So definitely recommend getting a case. If you do get a case, make sure you get a screen protector, which will be my next video. So anyways, guys, if you guys need a great case, I definitely recommend this one. This one is literally made for the Pixel. So this is basically what you're getting. And get one that's made for this phone specifically and sponsored by Google. I mean, this is a great case. Speaking, this is the way to go. So like I said, this one is renewed, but it's like brand new. It's a case. You don't need to spend $20, $30 on a case when you can get one for $10, which is what I paid for this. So I'll throw the link in the description, guys. So until next time, if you like this video, subscribe down below. See you soon and stay blessed.